What is up, guys? Welcome back to YouTube. So, heading out to Compass Lake right now, hooking up with Riley. He just got a new boat. It's an Axis A24, I believe. Has a pretty good wake. Gonna shoot some B-roll and see what kind of tricks we can get in today. Hopefully it's not too windy. Last time we went out, it was insane. It was a little bit crazy, and we just kind of surfed most of the time. I mean, that's still fun. So I may get some clips of surfing or doing whatever. You guys see the wake on that boat. It's pretty good. So should be a fun day. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys out there. Yeah.